Over 2 years ago, we were at this very same site for the start of the project for a new and larger water tank. Having then completed the tank foundation, we were very optimistic about completion by October of 2024. That was more than a year back. The progress in 2024 in erecting the water tank was amazing until September of that year, when a last-minute modification to the connecting lines was implying delays, which through disciplined project management was kept limited, so we could press to fill up the tank, where our water distribution execution team saw successful action for the first time in pursuing getting the water tank operational the soonest the better. Next on the program are the new water tanks at existing sites, Yaburibari, Urataka, and a new site, Yuanamoto. This project entails an investment of over 25 million guilders. To also tackle the aforementioned 3 new water tanks will require substantial investments. Financing of the strategic water projects is very critical and has our full attention. We have complete trust in that the lenders will also contribute to this very important objective of at all times to have sufficient drinking water in Aruba.
It is an honor to stand with you today as we officially commission the new Alto Vista water storage tank, a project that has been years in the making and a journey that reflects collective resilience, determination, and professionalism of everyone involved. This glass-fused steel tank with glass-fused steel floor stands at 60 meters in diameter by 18 meters tall with a free-span geodesic aluminum dome, and can provide up to 18,000 cubic meters of water storage to the Nord District. When we gathered here last time, we celebrated the start of a long-awaited vision in the face of extreme challenges that COVID and the economic outfall presented. As this project has navigated these and other unexpected challenges, what stands out today is not the challenges, but rather the responses.
Mita kere, mesmo gosto Bolsonaro, aqui na presente, nós tinha confiança que nós uma companhia web Aruba, que a hope anya da garantizar bom qualidade de água na país Aruba, pero da garantizar também que a água pode chegar a cada de nós casa. E a importância de tanque assim aqui, claro, está para garantizar água de boa qualidade chega na turcas, no país da área do norte, pero também no setor turístico, que maneira a crescer grandemente no último ano aqui, a área do norte a crescer, e pensei também que querer no nosso lugar para nos felicitar também a comunidade do norte com um projeto assim bonita da área aqui.